Children, do you know what is AM and PM? No? I will tell you. When we write AM, it means before noon or midday. And when we write PM, it means afternoon or midday. Now I will tell you the time and you have to guess what Namita must be doing at that time. 7:45 a.m. She does household work and goes through the newspaper. 8:15 a.m. She takes shower. 8:45 a.m. She eats her breakfast. 9:30 a.m. She attends a driving class. 10 p.m. Reads book. 3 p.m. She is at work. 5:30 p.m. She comes home. 6:30 p.m. Goes jogging. 8:30 p.m. Watches TV. 12 o'clock or noon. Works in the office. Well done. This shows you have understood the difference between AM and PM. Can anyone of you share his or her daily routine with us? Ma'am, I get up at 8 am. Then between 8 to 8:30, I clean myself, take a bath. Between 8:30 to 9, breakfast. 9 to 9:30, I watch TV. Between 9:30 to 10:30, do my homework. Between 10:30 to 11, I get ready for school. Between 11 to 11:30, I eat something. Between 11:30 to 12, reach school. Between 12 to 5:30, I am in the school. Between 5:30 to 6, reach home. Between 6 to 6:30, have tea and snacks. Between 6:30 to 8, I go to the tuition class. 8 to 9, take dinner. 9 to 9:30, TV. And by 10 or 10:30, go to sleep. That's great. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye.